This is a card dealer. It'll deal a game of Texas Hold'em it'll deal a game of Texas Hold'em. That's what it does. You can decide how many players you want on there by moving the potentiometer.
And you can, by the way, if you guys can't see, the LED as he moves that goes up and down.
So the LEDs are changing as I move this this knob, and you can have 2 through 7 players. So how many players should we have? 7, 6,
4.
All right.
Yeah, we don't want to be here all day.
Yeah, we'll go 4. So now I have 2 bump sensors here, continue and end. So I'll hit continue, and then the lights will flash. And if I actually wanted to choose 4, then I'll hit continue, or I can hit end and it'll return to the beginning, and I can choose again how many players if I made a mistake. So I don't think I made a mistake, so continue. So everyone has their card now. They do their betting, but also if you noticed, there's a green and a red LED here, and the green will turn on whenever the machine is doing something. So the players know, all right, I don't need to press any buttons. It's in the middle of a process. But when the red light is on, that means that there's input needed. So right now I could press, so everyone has their cards. We can get rid of these, assume that everyone has them in their hand. And then if everyone had folded and the game was over, I could hit end and it would return to the beginning and I could start a new round. Or if the game was not over and I wanted to deal the community cards for the poker game, I'd hit continue. It would deal a burn card, and then the 3 flop cards. So this would go away, and then everyone, based on those cards, makes their bets. If everyone folds, you end the game, go back to the beginning, start a new round. Or if the game is still not over, you press continue again. It'll deal another burn card, and you get your 4th card. You get the turn card.
Mm-hmm.
And again, if everyone folds, you can hit end and it'll return to the beginning, and you can start a new game. Or if you still need that last card to end the game, hit continue. Green lights turn on. It'll deal a burn card and come around and deal the last card in the game. Wow. And it'll automatically return to the beginning of the program. So now I can reselect the number of players if someone ran out of money or beans or whatever. So that's that.
Actually, you want to talk about designing the card shoe?
Oh yeah. So I designed this card shoe based off of what blackjack dealers use in Las Vegas. They just pull out cards one at a time. It's very effective. There's a little slit down here, pretty much big enough for 1 card to come out, and this weight here keeps the cards in place, so when the motor spins around and this, I don't really know what to call this, the finger, or mechanical finger, comes around, it'll just grab 1 card. And I actually built this before with plastic and a glue gun. And this is what happened to it. So I decided it might be better to try and build it out of the 3D printer, and it turned out great. So.
After a couple of tries.
Yes, after a couple of tries.
Absolutely. All right. If you had more time?
If I had more time, I would definitely try and constrain it, because right now there's wires everywhere. They don't normally get caught on things, but they can sometimes. I was pretty lucky in the demonstration that no cards got jammed, but that does happen sometimes, and so if I had more time, I'd make it a little more user-friendly.
Were you going to try and flip a card?
Oh, yeah. The 3 community cards that come out, in a real poker game, the dealer would deal them face up instead, because everyone is supposed to be able to see them. But right now the machine can only deal face down, so again, if I had more time, I'd try and add something onto the front here, or any system at all that would make it flip the card up, so it would be a totally complete system.
Okay. Thank you very much.